Wow, do I even know how to do this anymore? Hey Lotus Petals, welcome back. Hey, still got it. Ooh, bubble wrap. Oh my god, you guys, I love bubble wrap. Oh, I turn into a giant child. Oh, oh, oh. Just, it's so satisfying. Sorry, I'll put that off to the side to play with later. But can you see where it's a little patchy right there? And we're gonna start with our face base. So I've already moisturized, you guys saw that. This is the e.l.f. Jelly Pop. Why? Why was that necessary inside this packaging? Whatever. It says this multitasking primer has a unique gel texture that works like glue to grip makeup to ensure it stays put. Packed with skin-loving ingredients like hyaluronic acid and a powerful blend of antioxidants, your skin will be looking and feeling its very best. It directs me to apply evenly to the face. Once applied, wait 30 seconds before applying makeup. And let's see. Water, glycerin, watermelon extract, retinol, sodium phosphate, sodium hyaluronate, sodium glycol. So, okay. It says it may contain red 40. May contain a dye. Alright, I love the little pumpy, but the best pumps are the ones that work. Oh, okay, it does smell. Oh my gosh. It feels like, if you have ever used one of those, cucumber peel-off masks. Very, very similar in texture. I love the smell. Oh my gosh. Now, will the fragrance break me out? That is the question. Okie dokie. We gotta swap out batteries. I'll be right back. Alright. Batteries are swapped out. This is kinda tacky. Okay. Okay, e.l.f., I see you. Alright, now. Oh, I'm such a horrible YouTuber. Okay. Foundation brush. This is the EcoTools brush. I've been in love with these since I bought them. So I've got the Revlon Candid in the shade 240. I'm just going to pump some on the brush. Dot, 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 dot. And this shade is a wee bit light for me, but it'll be okay. I don't rely solely on this for my coverage, so we'll be alright. Definitely need more. Like, that is actually really light for me right now. I promise you, this is not a Halloween tutorial. But those are coming. Oh yes, those are coming. Coverage with this isn't bad. It doesn't look the greatest in my mustache area. Looks a little dry. And it doesn't cling to my nose very well. But that is why we don't rely on that solely for our coverage. So, put her away. And we're going to bust out the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Soft Beige. And, like, when your concealer is darker than your foundation, what the heck? So I'm going to mix some JS Magic Star Concealer in the shade C10. And get my small little Eco Tools brush. Ooh, that was a lot of concealer. Ooh, we did too much. Going to grab a dry sponge. Soak up some of that excess product. Like, as you can tell, I'm like... Okay, so I'm going to take my Jeffree Star Magic Star powder, and this is in beige. And I'm going to... I normally do not bake, but one, this powder is really finely milled, and two, that under eye needs some serious brightening right now. So come through, Jeffree, come through, mama need it. Kittens. Okay, so let us set the rest of the face, and I'm using the NYX Stay Matte Not Flat powder foundation in 9.5 Olive, and hopefully, there we go, bring the color back, cause she's looking ghostly. Ugh, I hate these deep forehead wrinkles. I'm 34 years old. I should not have deep forehead wrinkles yet. And yet here we are. Deep forehead wrinkles and all. Alright. Brought some color back. Going to kick off the bake. might take a little bit of this powder and just, because I brightened the under eye way too much. Okay. Now we're gonna get into this. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Like, I have the, Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Medium Deep Bronzer. This is the light to medium sculpting palette. So it's got like medium cocoa, dark cocoa, light cocoa, pop of light. So I'm going to start with medium cocoa. And I used the wrong brush. Oh, color switch. That is not our contour brush. No, it is not. Okay. Now, anybody who's been with me for a while knows I don't do harsh contour. I use a powder brush. Because I want definition, but I don't want it to be too harsh. And I feel like this just softly buffs in that definition that I'm looking for. God, this smells good. See, it's not too harsh. Itchy. And I'm going to mix medium cocoa and dark cocoa, because dark cocoa is a little more warm toned, and just warm up the perimeter of my face. Okay, now, this is the Luxie Medium Angled Shading Brush, and I'm going to dip into medium cocoa and just lightly contour this nose. And I don't normally do this, but it's in here, so I'm going to try it. I'm going to take what I usually use for my inner corner highlight, clean that off with the color switch, and I'm going to dip into light cocoa. Most people are trying to make their noses look thinner. I just want my nose to look straight. And then I'm going to take my foundation brush and not add, like, there's no added product on here. I'm just kind of bringing everything together, if you will. And then just trying to give the illusion that my nose is not crooked as all get out. Come back down with that contour just a little bit because I may have buffed out too much. There we go. Okay. There's a highlighter in this palette called Pop of Light. I have never used a Too Faced highlighter, so I don't see it. I'm no. I'm going to try this Steve Laurent in Cotton Candy. It's called a jelly highlight. So there we go. That's what she wanted. I mean, I'm not Jeffree Star. I don't want to beam to the high heavens or the moon or anything, but geez Louise, I want to see, like, something. And I'm going to take that brush that I use for my inner corner highlight. Where did she go? And I'm going to dip into this. Whew, oh my goodness, look, 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 look. It's like legit like a cream highlight. That's pretty. So pretty, in fact. I like that. That is a really, really pretty little highlighter. Okay. This came in a BoxyCharm, and I had swatched it, but I hadn't tried it yet, and I'm really glad I just tried that. Oh, we need blush. So I'm going to, because I don't want too much blush today, going to dip into Tarte Feisty. Nice neutral tone, if I can get it open. Oh my goodness. There we go. Nice, like, light peachy, neutral beigey. I'm saying a lot of descriptors, and I don't know if any of them are working right now, but just a little blush, not a lot. And we need liner. So for this, I'm just gonna bounce off camera because you guys have seen me use my NYX Epic Ink many, many times. Full look. What do we think? I'm rather pleased. Alright guys, thank you so much for being here with me today. I love each and every one of you so, so much. I'm filming some more videos today, so there will definitely be more videos coming in the future. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day. As RuPaul says, if you can't love yourself, how the hell you gonna love anybody else? So make sure that you love yourself today and every day, and be kind. Bye.